Hi guys, I haven't done a grocery haul in quite some time. It was well before the holidays, so I thought I would show you what we picked up here because I have a few things we're gonna make for dinner. So we're out of things and then needed some things. So it's funny, we felt like we had a ton of canned goods, but I'll explain why. So you can see we have some chili beans, some kidney beans, because I'm going to make chili, and I have that recipe already on the blog. So I also needed tomatoes for that, and I've been using the fire roasted tomatoes. And let's see, oh, and I like this. I've shown this before, the tri-bean blend. I'll put that on salad sometimes. And then we kind of stocked up on soup. I've really been liking this new kind, minestrone, I mean, with kale. That's really good. This one's the hearty lentil with vegetable. And then I got some pears, because if you follow me on Instagram, I kind of have a pear dilemma. I wanted the soft pears, so then I bought those. They were too soft. The other ones, everybody says I just need to let ripen. And I just decided to get these this time. I wanted a can of green beans. This is the green beans I always make for Thanksgiving. We usually do frozen, which are more basically like fresh. But sometimes I just like these too. They're really good. So we had fajitas last week, because if you watched my kind of what's for dinner when I tried HelloFresh for the first time, we had some awesome fajitas that time, and it made us want some more. I normally make my own taco seasoning, but fajita seasoning is just a little bit different. And the fajita seasoning I bought last time was just a store brand, and it wasn't that good. It didn't really taste like, you know, traditional fajita. So I thought I would try this one. And I've looked up recipes and what's the difference between taco seasoning and fajita seasoning, all that. So I'll probably ended up giving it a try, but I just thought I'd get this for right now. Decided to get this fish because you guys know we usually have like frozen crunchy fish on hand for just nights we don't know what we want. So got this. I needed some more mild white cheddar, and this is the lunch meat we always get. Needed some sour cream. This is the salad dressing that we always use. Needed some almond milk. I got some turkey bacon. We'll have something like this sometimes when we have that frozen fish. So I got this. This is the garlic version. The organic blue corn chips. I think I've shown these before too. We really like these because they're thinner than most blue corn chips. There are some bananas hiding under there. My husband wanted some popcorn for the air popper. He wanted this extra sharp cheddar. And then I'm going to make beans and cornbread, like bean soup, with the leftover ham from Christmas Eve. So I got this. We needed some grated Parmesan. And another thing, I can't seem to find what I like. I always liked in the bag the Betty Crocker cornbread mix. I had shown that probably a few years ago on What's for Dinner. Well, I don't know if they make it anymore. I just couldn't find it at my store. And then I've had other kinds that we don't like. I've made a couple different recipes that I'm not in love with. So it's kind of still trial and error. So I just thought I would try this one for right now. Again, I've made my own. I don't know. It's like they're missing something. And then this sausage, I had shown this. This is the uncured natural turkey sausage. I needed some raisins, and I needed oatmeal. I have pretty much oatmeal, I would guess, every morning for breakfast, most mornings. So this is the kind I've been eating. I needed crackers. I usually have crackers with my salad every day for lunch. I usually like the multi-seed, but they were out. I feel like that was the theme tonight at the grocery. Everything we wanted was out. So I got the flaxseed because I like those too. And my husband wanted some tea. He really likes this kind. And then we needed some probiotic. I kind of switch off a few, but I've tried this one before. Pomegranate juice. Oh, here's a few more soups hiding. I was gonna say, I think they're just the same. Yeah, the hearty lentil with vegetable. That one's, like I said, really good. And this is black bean with red quinoa. All these that we've tried have been really good. And then taco shells. Needed some lettuce for salad because, again, I've shown that on my Insta story. I have salad pretty much every day. So I have arugula still in the refrigerator, but needed a spring mix, and then just the leafy green. It's kind of like romaine. Needed some chicken, so chicken and a whole bunch of ground turkey that I'll probably split in half and do tacos with it, and then the chili. And again, I'll list that recipe where to find the, I think it's called fall chili. It's probably one of my most popular pins on Pinterest. Green pepper, a whole bunch of yellow pepper, and a backup of the pretzel thins we always have. And there's an onion right here, and I believe that is it. Hopefully I didn't miss anything. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.